when a partner is going to be relieved from the partnership firm in that date, in the retirement date, up to the date, what are the transactions made by the partnership firm, for that the retiring partner also liable for that up to the date of retirement. So the accumulated profits and losses reserves up to the date of retirement of the living partners, that should be distributed to the all the partners including retiring partner also. Assets and liabilities has to be revalued. The profit or loss which is made from the revaluation account, that also should be distributed to the all the partners including retiring partners in their old profit sharing ratio. Already we have learned how to post the journal entry for accumulated profits and reserves losses. Accumulated profits mean general fund, reserve fund, workman compensation fund, profit and loss. It will be appear in the liabilities column, that is distributed to the old partners in their profit sharing ratio. Already you know the journal entry: reserve fund account debit, workman compensation fund account debit, and then profit and loss appropriation account debit to all the partners capital account, to all the partners capital account credit. This journal entry for when they made the profit. Suppose they got a loss, accumulated loss mean all partners capital account debit to accumulated loss account credit. Revaluation of assets and liabilities, you are also familiar with that. When the new partner is admitted, in the admission of partner itself we have learned about revaluation of assets and liabilities. Now we can see one by one. Okay, distribution of accumulated profits, reserves and losses. The journal entry is given the same way you are going to distribute to the partners. Illustration number 1. Vivin, Hari and Joy are partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 3:2:1. So Vivin 3 by 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1 6. So 3 by 6 for Vivin, 2 by 6 for Hari and 1 by 6 for Joy. On 31st 3 2017, Hari retired. The second partner is going to be relieved. Hari is going to retire. On the date of retirement, the books of the firm showed a general reserve. So they have general reserve 60,000. Now they ask us to pass the journal entry to distribute the general reserve. General reserve is the income to the partners. Earlier profits are reserved for future purpose. So it is appear on the liabilities column of the balance sheet. So general reserve is going to distribute to the partners. What is journal entry? General reserve account debit to all the partners capital account. So who are the partners? Vivin, Hari, Joy. Hari also included. So general reserve account debit to Vivin's capital account credit, to Hari's capital account, to Joy's capital account. So the 60,000 is going to distribute to the partners in their profit sharing ratio. That is 60,000 into 3 by 6 and 2 by 6, 1 by 6, 1666. So 10,000 to 3, 30,000. So for Vivin 30,000, Hari 20,000 and Joy 10,000. So now we got the journal entry: general reserve account debit to Vivin's capital account, to Hari's capital account, to Joy's capital account. The next is on the same way. Mary, Meena and Mariam are partners of a firm sharing profit and losses equally. Here you see, here they given the word equally. So profit sharing ratio is 1:1:1. Mary retired. Who is the retiring partner? Mary. So Mary is going to be retired from the partnership firm. Mary is going to retire from the partnership firm on 1/1/2019. And the date, their balance sheet showed, balance sheet shows accumulated loss. Accumulated loss means it will be appear on the asset side. Accumulated loss. So it will be mentioned as a profit and loss. Accumulated loss 75,000 and the assets of the balance sheet. Give journal entry to distribute the accumulated loss. Now they ask us to pass the journal entry one loan. So when you got the income, that is general reserve or reserve fund or profit and loss appropriation, mean what is journal entry be passed? General reserve account debit to all partners. Now it is a loss, that is opposite entry has to be done. So all partners capital account debit to accumulated loss account credit. So here who are the partners? Mary, Meena, Mariam. So Mary's capital account debit, Meena's capital account debit, Mariam's capital account debit to accumulated, that is a profit and loss account credit. Profit and loss account credit. So the 75,000 is placed here. The 75,000 is equally shared among the partners in their profit sharing ratio. Profit sharing ratio is given equally. So 1 is to 1 is to 1, that is 1 by 3. 1 3 is 3, 25 3s are 75. So 25,000 for each partner. It is distributed among themselves equally. So second sum gets over. The third sum, Prince, Dev and Sasirekha are partners in a firm sharing profit losses in the ratio of 2 is to 4 is to 1. So 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 1 7. So 2 by 7 for Prince and 4 by 7 for Dev and 1 by 7 for Sasirekha. Their balance is given here. Capital accounts, profit and loss appropriation. Already we know that profit and loss appropriation is displayed as a liability, mean it is a income, it is a profit. General reserve, workman compensation fund. These three is a accumulated income. It should be distributed to the old partners in their profit sharing ratio. That is all partners. Now what they ask us to prepare, we can see now. Here they didn't say anything else. They have asked Prince and Dev, Sasirekha are partners in a firm sharing profit loss ratio of 2 is to 4 is to 1. Their balance sheet is shown here. Now they didn't ask us to do anything else, but under the category of distributing accumulated profits and losses, we are doing the sum. So these three should be distributed among the partners. So now we got the value 10,000, 15,000, 17,000, 25, 32, 42,000. So this 42,000 is distributed among the partners in their profit sharing ratio. So profit and loss appropriation account debit, general reserve account debit, workman compensation fund account debit. So three amount can be placed together. Common journal entry we can place it. So total amount 42,000. This 42,000 is going to be distributed to the partners in their profit sharing ratio 2 by 7, 4 by 7, 1 by 7. Now you see here. Profit and loss appropriation account debit 10,000, general reserve account debit 15,000, workman compensation fund account debit 17,000 is placed. Then to Prince capital account, to Dev's capital account, to Sasirekha's capital account. The 42,000 is distributed among themselves in their ratio. It's a 2 mark sum, dear.